To say that Africa is full of holes would be an understatement. The circles begin off the west coast of Africa and are adjacent to the ring described in the first video as the Lesser Antilles Islands. Right next to this circle is the Eye of the Sahara. These are interesting. What we want to do is we want to step down and we want to look at the equatorial node, of which Africa boasts the crown of the King of Cameroon. Directly across from the crown was the South American articulation, which is the source of the positive discharge that formed the Amazon basin. These are west and east facing articulations of the same formation event.
It's easier if we begin by looking down the heart of the impact crater, with the rim of the Himalayan mountains on your right. This crater was created by plasma stability just above it that was encoded in Greek mythology as the god Zeus. Zeus was there because Venus was falling into the earth. Venus represented a positive charge. According to the mythology, Venus was raped by Poseidon and then gained a positive charge which caused her to fall. The interpretation of the word rape in this context should be viewed as a force that overwhelms the object into a state of change. This close approach caused the bowing of the magnetosphere over the impact site. And out on the opposite side of the planet, it created a low pressure, creating a negative charge. High pressure, low pressure. Positive charge, negative charge. Low pressure acts like a suction on the surface of the Earth, except this suction went from pole to pole, ripping up the surface,
with the moon being formed in between. The most accurate model is an induction bulb, because that is the most likely electrical component to create a spherical shape as a storage mechanism. From here we can describe certain component parts, such as stating that the Earth represented the base and the heat sink. The excavation of the Atlantic happened as a function of heat dissipation. The formation of the South Atlantic anomaly is a direct result of the moon's formation and represents the cathode grounding to the moon's formation, like a battery and a bulb. The South Atlantic anomaly's pair is found in the pincer formation around Cape Town, South Africa, which is why the formation of the anomaly is shaped from Cape Town west. Now, the one thing left to consider is all the glass that they found on the moon's surface. Just how real was the glass envelope around that bulb? There are round circles all over Africa, and they all point to the same thing: our moon. Don't forget to click that like, share, and subscribe button, and leave me your thoughts in the comments down below. Peace out, everyone.